What if I told you that most people will never become wealthy, not because they aren't smart, hardworking, or talented, but because they spend their entire lives following rules that were never designed to make them rich? From the day we're born, we're taught how to earn money. Very few people are ever taught how to build wealth. And that single difference quietly shapes the rest of our lives. Think about it. Go to school. Get good grades. Find a stable job. Work hard. Save money. Retire someday. It sounds like the perfect formula. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Millions of people follow this exact path every year. They wake up early, work overtime, collect promotions, and earn higher salaries. Yet many of them still live paycheck to paycheck. Because earning more doesn't automatically create wealth. A bigger paycheck often leads to a bigger lifestyle. A better car. A bigger apartment. More subscriptions. More expensive vacations. More monthly payments. Income rises. But expenses quietly rise even faster. This is called lifestyle inflation. It's one of the biggest reasons people stay financially stuck. Every salary increase feels like permission to spend more instead of own more. Without realizing it, people become trapped in a cycle where every promotion simply creates a more expensive version of the same life. They don't own their time. Their bills do. The moment income stops, everything else begins to fall apart. That's not financial freedom. That's financial dependence wearing expensive clothes. Wealthy people often think differently. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" they ask, "What can I own that will continue paying me long after today?" They focus on acquiring assets instead of collecting liabilities. Assets can include investments, profitable businesses, intellectual property, or other long-term income-producing resources. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to become financially resilient over time. While many people trade hours for money, they also look for ways to build income that doesn't rely entirely on their daily labor. They understand something most people overlook: money is temporary. Ownership can create lasting value. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They believe wealth is created by earning more. But in reality, wealth grows through consistent financial habits, disciplined spending, and making informed decisions over many years. The question isn't, how much do you make? The real question is, what happens to your money after you make it? Because someone earning less, saving consistently, investing wisely, and avoiding unnecessary debt may build greater long-term wealth than someone with a much higher salary who spends almost everything they earn. So before chasing your next raise, ask yourself one question. Are you building a lifestyle, or are you building a future? The answer to that question could change your financial life. If you've made it this far to the end of the video, a like and subscribe would be much appreciated as it helps me make more videos like this.